In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the slow motion effect on Instagram. So first, let's open up Instagram and swipe to the right to access your camera. Now, if you want to create a slow motion video, you'll need to switch over to Reels. Now look towards the left and you'll see the speed option. By default, it's set to 1. Now tap on it and you can choose a slower speed like 0.5 or 0.3. Now, let's record something. And when you're done, hit next. You can see that the video is now in slow motion. If you want to mix in a faster clip, just record something else at a faster speed and hit next again. And you can now see that the video goes from slow to fast. Now remember, it's important to adjust the speed before recording. Once you've recorded, you can add music, tags, and other effects to your reel. Now you can go play around with it and see what creative videos you can come up with. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.